Okay, here we have the Papo Fantasy two-headed dragon in gold. Its model number is 38938 and it's a fantastic figure. It comes fully painted as you see in this video. As you see, it's got two heads. One of those heads is breathing fire and the fire's been very well painted. Comes out in a beautiful orange yellowy golden glow, and as you can see, the dragon's got quite a large wingspan. The overall dimensions of this figure are about 20.5 centimeters long. It's 21.5 centimeters from wingtip to wingtip, and it's about 12 centimeters high. So it's quite a large figure. Not particularly heavy. It's under 200 grams, solid plastic with a little bit of give. And as you can see, all the points on the wings on the back of the dragons all been painted quite nicely. There's a slight risk of scratching, and the warning from Papa on the CE mark is not for children 0 to 3, so this is for 4 years and above, and obviously it's for you as a parent to decide what age child will actually play with this toy because of the slight risk of scratching. And one other note is just that the flame within the dragon's mouth is slightly loose, and you might want to decide whether to risk that being pulled out or whether you want to make a clean cut and to snip that out from the outset. Either way, it's a fantastic figure, and what I'm now going to do is just to quickly show you the figure in context with some other toys to help the scale. Okay, and here we have the golden two-headed dragon with a number of toys just to give the scale some context. So on the very left here we have a Playmobil figure. Just under the dragon's flaming mouth we have a 25-28mm figure, and if you watch the other video I've done with the red two-headed dragon, which is the same shape and style as this Papo dragon, then you'll see that this dragon being used in quite an interesting environment with the 25-28mm characters. We then have a Hexbug Nano just at the very foreground, and we then move on to a really nice Gandalf Lego character figure, and I think that scale works particularly well. Just to the right we then have some very small Star Wars figures. These are the stunted rubbery figures that are quite popular. And at the very rear we have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, just to show you that even on the larger end, although I think that turtle will find it quite easy to defeat this dragon, it's certainly doable. It's taller than the turtle, and I think that's always a good thing, certainly with the impressive wingspan that this dragon has. It's going to give anybody still a challenge because of course it can fly as well as breathe fire. So there's just a few other items on the table to help give you the scale and to give you an idea with what other toys and what other combinations work well with this figure. It's a very keenly priced figure. It's only about £15 in the UK, easily available from Amazon sellers as well as from Toys R Us. That's only about €20, $20. So for a fully painted figure of this size and quality, really recommended. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please feel free to like, subscribe and comment.